Chia seeds for weight loss. Due to its high nutritional value, which includes fiber, protein, good fats, vitamins, and minerals, chia seeds have been known as a superfood. Chia seeds are said by some to help people lose weight. Chia seeds are supposed to aid in weight loss, in part due to their high fiber content. Since fiber makes you feel full, you could eat less food overall and burn fewer calories. Chia seeds also absorb fluids and expand in your stomach, which might increase your feeling of fullness and satisfaction. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of protein, which can boost muscle growth and repair, and make you feel more satisfied. Increasing your muscle mass can help you burn more calories, even while at rest, since muscle burns more calories than fat. This might be crucial for weight reduction. Chia seeds can be a beneficial supplement to your diet, but they cannot cause weight loss on their own. This is a crucial point to keep in mind. You must adopt a healthy, balanced diet and include regular exercise in your routine to lose weight that will last. It's also important to keep in mind that chia seeds have a fair amount of calories, so watch your portion sizes, whether you're eating them as a snack or using them in meals. Overall, chia seeds may be a beneficial addition to your diet, and when paired with other healthy living practices, their high protein and fiber content may benefit weight reduction attempts.